EagleRidge, your trusted kitchen remodeling experts in Elk Ridge, Utah. For those in Elk Ridge, Utah, 84651, looking to remodel their kitchen, EagleRidge is your top choice. Specializing in kitchen remodeling and renovation, they offer tailored services to meet your unique needs with quality craftsmanship and exceptional customer satisfaction. EagleRidge starts with a detailed consultation to understand your vision and provide a free estimate. From custom kitchen design and build projects to new kitchen construction and extensions, they handle it all with precision in Elk Ridge, Utah. Their services include design and planning, covering kitchen layouts, and 3D concept development. They offer custom cabinetry, countertop installations using materials like granite, quartz, and marble, and flooring solutions including tile, hardwood, and vinyl. EagleRidge also excels in backsplash installations, lighting solutions such as under cabinet and recessed lighting, and plumbing services like sink and faucet installations. They manage appliance installations, electrical upgrades, and kitchen ventilation systems to ensure a modern, functional kitchen. For structural modifications, they handle wall removals and new window or door installations, finishing with custom trim, molding, and decorative touches. Their specialty services include eco-friendly remodeling, energy-efficient appliances, and accessibility modifications. EagleRidge ensures a hassle-free experience with comprehensive demolition, site cleanup, and efficient project management. Explore various styles from modern to farmhouse designs and layouts like galley, L-shaped, or open floor plans. To transform your kitchen in Elk Ridge, Utah, 84651, call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule your free estimate.